So I've been looking for a drone for the past couple of weeks. So I'm currently hunting for a drone. This is the second place I've been to in the last half an hour. Just waiting. And I was just looking on Facebook Marketplace and stuff, trying to find like a second-hand one because we're going to Perth in 12 days and I really wanted to get a drone and GoPro and all this stuff and make some fucking cool videos. But Bronte's like, you know, there's no point spending like $1,200 on the drone straight up. And I thought, yeah, you know, you got a point. So I was looking on Facebook Marketplace and I was like, maybe I could just get one of the, like, the DigiSparks, like, second-hand, because they were not bad, you know. And they're little, easy to carry around. They were going for around $500 and I was like, that's alright, you know. So, went and looked at a few of those. This one's green though, so I'm not sure about the green, but I'm like, at the end of the day, that's not really going to affect the quality of the drone. They were like alright, but they were just like had dirt and shit all over them. I'm like, if you want me to buy it, maybe just wipe the dirt off. Anyway, so then after looking at the second drone, the guy sent me a link for the Mavic Mini, which I'd never heard of. I'd known of like the Mavic Pro, Mavic Air and all that. Like new one just coming out. And I was like, fuck yeah. And guess what? It's only $600. And I was like, I was about to spend $500 on some old shitty version of this new one. So I was like, alright, I'll wait for that. Look at that. I tried to fly it in the house when I got home because it was really, really windy outside and I was like, don't want to lose it obviously. And yeah, don't fly it in the house. Not a good idea. Especially if you've never flown a drone before, don't fly it in the house. So when I hit the wall, I scuffed it. I don't know if you can see that. Look at my nasty fingers. So there's little scuffs on the propellers, but that's it. Like it pretty much didn't damage it at all, thank God. Got a little lens cover. You take it off before you fly it. I've got it down now. It's only 249 grams. Can you believe it? I don't think so. It's really good. If you're wanting a drone for a small price, smaller than they used to be, this is a good option. And it's so easy to use, like up, down, side to side. Like although I crashed into the wall, out in the world, like where there's no walls, it was actually quite easy to fly. I haven't worked out all the like cool things the app can do yet. I worked out how to like do like a circular kind of video. But I'm trying to work out how to get it to follow you because I was just kind of chasing Bronte with the drone. I wasn't really like following her in like this nice way. I was kind of like, took some rad photos and videos, and it's so nice to be able to just see the world from up there, you know. Another cool thing, alright, with the remote up the top here, it's got, so while you're flying you obviously hold it like, you know, like a remote. And then on the corner there it's got, you click record, so you can record, stop and start. And then if you want to take a snapshot for a photo, come on mate, focus. There's that one. So record and snapshot, which is so freaking good, because then you don't have to like touch on your phone, and it's just bloody amazing, honestly. You should get one.